everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial using the Kkw Camo Palette. When I saw this on Instagram, I knew I had to have it. These colors really make my eyes pop, so I had to get it. I'm going to be doing a very simple look today. So I'm going to be starting off with that light beigey color, putting it in the crease, going back and forth. This is my transition color. Stay tuned to the end of the video because there is going to be a very special giveaway, so just letting you know at the end of the video. Then I'm gonna pick up this like beigey, brownish, yellow color, putting that in the crease, in the outer V. Not being precise with it, I'm just kind of like deepening up the look. You guys know I like to use a lot of shades. I like to build up my colors. So that's what I'm doing here. And then again, deepening up the look a little bit more, I'm taking this orangey brown. This is a Sigma E25, so it's a little bit more precise than the first two brushes I used. Putting this in the crease and in the outer V, just going back and forth. These colors blended out so beautifully. I had zero issues. I would apply the shade at first and it looked a little patchy, but then you blend it out and it just looks gorgeous, you know? Very, very good blendability. Now I'm taking this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful olive green color, and at first I was like, what do I want to do with this color? I don't know, do I want to do a smoky eye? So that's kind of what I was going for. I put it on my lid, in my crease, brought it upwards, kind of just put it everywhere. So yeah, this is a beautiful color. This was like my favorite color in the palette. And then to deepen up the look a little bit more, I took that dark brown and just put it in the outer V and in the crease. This is like a little Eco Tools dome brush. So now I'm taking this like shimmery olive green color. It's really pretty, and I was like, let's just put it on top of everything that I just did. I put it all over the lid pretty much except in the outer V, and it was beautiful. I love this color so much. And then just to brighten up the inner corners, I used this taupe shade. I'm so glad they included the shade. It's so pretty and it goes so well with this palette. Okay, so now I'm doing that. I wanted to tell you guys something and I don't remember. Oh well. Now I'm going to do my regular concealer routine. You guys know the drill. Actually, I remember what I was going to tell you. These shadows, they do have names, but the way that she has them, they're on the back of the palette, and sometimes that confuses me, so sorry. But these shades do have names. I'm just using the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner and winging it out a little bit and then cleaning up my eyeliner. So if you have trouble with eyeliner, always take some concealer, clean it up if you have to, just like this. Works wonders, I'm telling you. So then after this, I'm setting my under eyes with the Givenchy PRISME LIBRE setting powder. It's bougie, guys, but it's a good powder, totally worth the money. I'm not even lying. I'm taking the darkest shade that I used today, that dark brown, putting it on the outer third of my lower lash line, and then blending it out with the first transition color that I used. And then we are moving on to lashes. These are the DEMI WISPIES Faux Mink lashes. Final look, guys. Isn't this so pretty? It's so smoky, so sultry, very simple. Anybody can do this. So now for the exciting part. I am going to have a giveaway. I'm giving away a Kkw Camo Palette. Super exciting. The rules will be down below, but really quickly, you have to be a subscriber. Please leave a comment down below. You can leave any comment that you want. You have to be following me on Instagram, and you will get an extra entry if you follow me on TikTok. So that's just like a roundup of the rules, but I will leave them all down below. Make sure you check the description box. That's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.